Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Pitbull's Garage, and today, as you can see, we got in the garage, no budget build. And since it's the budget build by Carlo, I don't know if you see in previous videos, I put my old subs in there that was very old. So I got to upgrade on some 12s, and guess what? They're budget subs, so what's better than to have budget subs in your budget car? So we're gonna give them out. We'll go over and take a look at them, and I'll show you what they are. Let's go. All right, like if you guys remember, I had the old punches. Sorry, I got my budget flashlight. So these some old punch P1s. If any of you old bass heads remember these are very old. You can see they've been sitting in storage forever, and then didn't even clean them off. But these RMS wattage I think is 150, max 300, so barely. There was a lot of people, I got a lot of compliments on these subs, and I'm just like, they're just some old punches, like literally old punches from the early 2000s. And it was only probably putting out 300 watts because I ain't even got my amp turned all the way up, but it wouldn't blow them or anything like that. I ain't even got my gains even past half on them because I knew they couldn't hold them. So that's what I've been rocking with. And now we're gonna try these Skar audios out. I got them on sale. They had like an end of summer sale. Like I was saying, they had an end of summer sale. So I picked them up for I think 50 bucks a speaker. I ordered two. I think with F shipping and everything was probably like 110. And usually these goes on sale around Black Friday, holidays. Like I said, it was in a summer sale. I'm not sure if the sale is still going on as this video is being posted, but they had a sale on all their audio. And here they are. I don't know if you can see the lighting's kind of not that great in here. Decent sized little magnet. Like I said, I just said whatever, 100 bucks, let me give them a try. And they're rated at 250. They're 2 ohm 12s at 250 RMS, 500 max. So we're gonna see. My box ain't ported. It's an old prefab box, so let's go ahead and throw them in there and see what they sound like. Now, all right, got that out. Compare them real quick. Like I said, this is old punch P1s. People might remember these. And then the Skar audio 12s, I think they're called. Let me see. These are the Skar Audio IX series, so it's their entry-level budget build subs. So we'll take a look at them. Look at those magnets. You can't really see. You got this plastic on here, but from what I can tell, it's a small magnet. But you can see the difference. This was about the same size as height. The basket looks a little bit kind of thicker-ish. On the Rockford, the old Rockford, but yeah, I mean, the tops of the rubbers, this one's thicker. You tell this one's getting a little bit old, been flexing. It goes about down there. This one flexes. It ain't broken in, so, but this one's supposed to be a little bit louder. Like I was saying, 250. It don't say it at the bottom right there. It just says X-Size. Okay, that says it right there. 500 max, 250. Okay, like I was saying, it does says it right here. 500 watts max, 250 RMS. IX series. Then the punch, it just says it right here. 150 RMS, 300 peak watts. So, like I said, they did good for what they were. So I'm gonna try these Skars out. I had heard mixed things about them. I didn't get a chance to buy a SLP meter to see what big of a difference. So I'm gonna have to order one because I am starting to get into more audio stuff. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and install these and see what it sounds like. All right, got them installed. So now we're just gonna go ahead and turn them on, see what they sound like. And of course, do remember, I know a lot of people do know, just unplug your battery because you don't want to bump them wires together and blow out a fuse or mess up your amp, or just unplug your battery. But so let's go ahead and just get into it.
spit dirt. Right, it's real nigga time. Pussy, you 6'30". I'm 7'30", winning whenever you heard me spit. Fact, 5150, you bitches can come and get. Started from the bottom pit to the top. The spot, lock the block, solidifying the spot. Identifying haters and sucker ducking the cops. I can fuck with the chops, whether you niggas like it or not. Repetitive and ready to shake, rattle, and roll. Sold your soul to the devil, you pay advantage to tone. Exciting in school, you were typing and wanting more. I'm like the type that you wanted to fuck for. I'm the type that's writing with lightning and once more. Fire starters are harder to the smoke at your front door. Some days I just think about shit. Like all the mics are ripped. And all the voices are lame. And all the rappers are slain.
Well, it's gonna do it. I like them. They definitely hit a little bit harder than my old Rockford Falls skates. Also, I didn't really turn it up all the way because, like I said, they're brand new and you gotta break them in. So, but definitely for $50, definitely I would say go get them. There ain't gonna be no blow your window out, nothing like that, nothing crazy. But you see, it gets the mirrors going a little bit. So if you go, hopefully you see in this video that they're still on sale. If not, I know I'm posting this before Black Friday, so if they're not still on sale for the end of summer sale at the Skar website, check around Black Friday, and they'll probably be around $50. And I think the 10s was 45 or 40. So definitely a good bang for a buck. So go ahead, we're gonna have more audio to come. Like I said, just a little budget build. Until then, till the big build comes, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be a lot more audio, a lot more shows, traveling. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. See you next time. Peace.